Laying low, no place to go.
How dare you? Who do you think you are to come into my house and create a rift between me and my man?
You slapped me?
And I will do it again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Talk with Fresh. It's your favorite girl again, and I bring you the movie for the night. The name of this movie is A Hero Comes Along. Now, this movie you can watch it at Maurice TV, and this movie is starring Maurice, Ruth Kadiri, alongside other amazing actors and actresses. As I would always say, I bring you guys premium movies, and this is a premium movie. Now, this movie I would say is a mixture of comedy relief and our normal fiction movies. Now, there are lessons to learn from this movie. Number one lesson is do stand by people, especially when you're in a relationship. Make sure you always stand by your partner. Not standing alongside your partner is a big issue in relationships. Second lesson you can learn from this is don't be too quick to judge. Always listen to people's side of their stories. You always need to hear different sides of a story before you can judge. Don't be too quick to judge people. Now, the third lesson comes from parents or guardians listening to their words. You're not with them 24 hours a day. So you should always listen to their body language, listen to what they tell you. When they try to talk to you, please do not shush them up, do not hush them. You might just save their lives. So at this point of this review, I would like to say a big thank you to the 1000 subscribers. Yes, we have gotten to 1000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to reach many more milestones with you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.